Okay, this first part is about parts of an expression. Expression is just a math phrase that contains operations, numbers, and or variables. Terms of an expression, so there's our first definition, our first vocab word, are the parts that are being added. So, and it could have been subtracted as well. So, the coefficient is a numerical factor of a variable term. So that is the number in a term. There are both numerical expressions and algebraic expressions. Right? A numerical expression contains only numbers, while an algebraic expression contains at least one variable. Okay, here we go. So we're going to take this algebraic expression. All right, we're going to talk about the terms. Well, those are the parts being added. So these are your terms. You have 8p, 2q, 7r. The coefficients on those are the numbers in front of the terms. So it's 8, 2, and 7. Kind of easy, right? All right. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to identify the terms and coefficients. Since the expression, right, here involves subtraction, a little bit different, all right, rather than addition, the expression, we can rewrite the expression as the sum of all the terms. So this would be 18, right? And then we'd say plus a negative 2x, right? And then plus a negative 4y, because adding a negative is the same as subtracting. So the terms of the expression, right? And you just have to remember to keep the signed numbers. So these are signed numbers. The terms are 18, they're negative 2x, and negative 4y. Those are the terms. Well, the coefficients, right? Coefficients here are the numbers in front of the variables. So it's negative 2 and negative 4. And there's some situations where 18 would count as well, but since right now there's no variable with the 18, we're just going to call that a constant and not a coefficient. All right. So C, identify the coefficients and expressions. All right. So this one involves both subtraction and addition. All right. So we're going to rewrite everything as the sum, which they've done for us. All right. They haven't. So we've got 2x plus 3y doesn't change, plus negative 4z, right, plus 10. So the terms of the expression, all right, there's every single one of those. We got 2x, 3y, negative 4z, and 10. And the coefficients are the numbers in front. So we got 2, 3, and negative 4. Kind of easy, right? So if you look down here, okay, we have tickets to an amusement park, $60 for adults, $30 for children. If A is the number of adults and C is the number of children, then the cost of the adults is their total cost. So the terms are just each one of those, 60A plus 30C. The factors, what are the factors of 60A? Those are the things you multiply. That is 60 and A. The factors of 30C are 30 and C. Those are the two parts that get multiplied together. What are the coefficients of the expression? Those are the numbers in front of the variable, 60 and 30. Interpret the meaning of the two. Well, 60A is 60A. I put 6A. 60A is the cost of adults. All right. 30C is, and I should have put the variable back in, is the cost of A adults, however many adults there are. 30C is the cost of C number of children. And there it is. Alright. We can go one more. Alright. So let's do one more together right here. Alright. The price of juice is $15. Fred has a coupon for 20 cents off each bottle. The expression is this: 15 minus 0.2 per bottle right there. Alright. What are the terms of the expression? So that is the 15 and the negative 0.2b. We're going to keep going. I'm going to hit this next page here. We're getting there. Alright. It says What are the factors? You can look back. I'm going to pull out a sheet of paper so I can look back, right? The factors of each term. We've got 15 is only the factor of the first term. And negative 0.2, and b are the factors of the second term. Do both terms, let me just write that one right here. Let me look at the term. So we have, this is what they said, 15 minus 0.2b. That is what we're looking at for that expression. Alright. So when we look at that, it says, do both terms have coefficients? Well, this one looks like it has a coefficient, but no, right? No, 15 has no, right? Variable parts. So to be a coefficient, the number has to be in front of the variable. Alright? What are the coefficients? Well, just this part. Just the part in front of the variable, which is negative 0.2. Negative 0.2. What does this expression mean? Well, it means Fred has a coupon that's 20 cents, subtract from the price of every bottle. It means there is $0.2, we'll say, subtracted from each bottle. And we're going to stop with that. Alright. Try to answer the terms here. And then, oh, they've made a mistake. Try to locate the mistake here. And locate the coefficient here. That could be the only thing I ask. Alright. And we're going to end here. And that is the first 1.5 pages.